Let me show you how I make my super easy and super soigné baba ganoush. We're gonna pierce our eggplant with a fork, season it with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, throw it in a 450-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Then we're gonna scoop out the interior, mash it up, add some olive oil, tahini, garlic, parsley, and some sesame seeds. And then we're gonna plate it up beautifully with a little chili oil, pita crisp, and some parsley. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful baba ganoush I made right at home, and I have a pita chip cracker on top. Let's break it and try it. Woo! All right. Get a bite in there. Oh yeah. With that perfect bite, there's chili oil in there, crispy pita chip. Amazing. You like eggplants? You don't like eggplants? You still gotta try this at home. Let's go.